it's me.
I know you somewhere.
And today I'm going to be showing you how to make DIY scrunchies. So what you will need is a glue gun. You will also need fabric. I have fabric right here. You also need measuring tape thing. Okay guys, so I'm going to start with the measurements. So I like to do 18 down. So you put it at the starting and then you see where it says 18 and then you mark it. I'm just using a crayon. If you have like some chalk or what's it called, this the sewing chalk for clothes or whatever. So I go 18 down and 5 across. It's like really easy to do. So I'll just show you guys when I'm finished. Yeah, so now it is cut. That was probably not a good transition, but that is okay. So now, here's a kind of complicated part. So get your rubber band and then put it in a corner. And like you have to like match it up to the other corner, like that. And this is where you're going to start using a glue gun. See, like that. So you put it in. Okay, take the rubber band, put it into the corner. Make sure it matches up with the other corner and like that. And then that's where you're going to glue it. Okay, so we have it. Just do the thing I told you in the other scene. Whoa, why did I say scene? Anyways, so just do this and put it there, and that's where you're going to hot glue it. So this, see, like that, and then you're going to hot glue it. Okay, when you are finished, make sure do not glue the ends because you're going to need to put them into each other. So mine is double-sided, so it doesn't matter what side I do. And if you don't understand what I'm saying, I will explain it to you. So if you have one of those stuff that one side is like the good side and underneath it, it's like the behind of it and it's like not the same as the other side, as in not double-sided. So put the side that is good on the table or whatever you're using and then glue it because we're going to be turning it around. So most people will say do it like that and turn it around, but I find that harder. So I put 2 fingers in and just drag it out, and I keep on doing that around and around until it is finished. So I get as much as I can on my 2 fingers. And then I pull it out like this. See, like that. So guys, I'll show you when it's done. So when you turn it the right side, it turns like this. So what you're going to do is you're going to put it into the place. So you need the 2 openings, so you're going to need to put one into the other one. And then you're just going to glue it down. That's what I'm about to do. So guys, this is the scrunchie. It turned out really nice. So yeah, I think it turned out really good. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I post. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.